You know when somewhere just feels right the moment you walk in? Well, that's exactly what the owner said about this place. Everything was brand new, beautifully furnished from day one, and it simply felt like home. With its own private entrance, a west-facing garden, 2 bathrooms, it still has that ready-to-move-in feel. This one really does tick all the boxes. Come on in. Some homes make life complicated. This one makes it easy. No fixing, no updating, no fuss, just a calm, modern space that's warm in the winter, cool in the summer, and ready to enjoy from day one. It's effortless living, the way it should be. Give me a call, I'd love to show you around.